Well, good morning, you beautiful people of the internet. Today's going to be a bit of a different video. It's going to be an unboxing video. Janet has bought me a new camera, a new GoPro. So it's not sponsored by GoPro. I wish it were. You know, yeah, that'd be nice. Sorry, I'm just balancing on a piece of wood. So we're going to be unboxing that. So let's go inside the van and have a look at this new GoPro. Let's put a bit of light on the situation. Oh, wrong way. There we go. So put you down there. Hopefully you can see. So comes in its own little case. And we also have the new DJI mini mic as well. So hopefully no more sound issues. So what have we got in this box? So we have 3 batteries, sticky mount, and obviously the mount to go on there. What else have we got? Can't get it out. We've got the charger. It's just a bit of packaging. We've got the camera itself. What else have we got in here? Right, so thumb screw and 2 cables, 2 charging cables, 2 USB-C charging cables. It comes in its own nice little case, and also let's have a look in here. We have you've got to update the camera before you use it. We also have a 64 gig SD card. And the usual sort of bump. Oh, we've got some stickers. Everybody loves a sticker. That's if you want to subscribe to GoPro, which is, I don't know how much that is a month. But yeah, we've got all the general sort of stuff that comes with something new. So we'll pop them back in there. Like that. I mean, that is just a bit of cardboard really. So I don't think we're going to need that. Well, to be honest, I'm not going to need the case actually, like, but so let's have a look at this. It's now like ripping something new open here. Well, they don't come off easy, so let's just tear them off. Way. I mean, I know why they've done it like this, so that once you've been opened them, you know it's been opened. Right, let's get one of these, a couple of these batteries on charge. First of all, If you're wondering what that is, that other charger, it's the Karcher. Yeah, we've got a couple of little LEDs there during the progress. So we'll leave them out of the way. We've got to love a nice peel. There's some people walking past, if you can hear that. Nice peel off there. Look at that. Ooh, ooh, yes. Nice peel. I don't know if these batteries have got any charge in them. Right now, when I got this, I didn't know whether you'd be able to connect it to the tripod that I use. And it turns out it has a little thing on the bottom that you just fold out. You put it back down there. You just fold that out like that. And then that goes into your how good's that? So, let's how do we get into this? Pull down. Let's have a look at this. Get this SD card in there, because obviously I can't use the one that I'm filming this one on. I might as well use the first one. Can't you tell I've never done this before? So where's that go? That goes just in that little slot there. Let's see how much charge these have on them, if any. Got life. Right, let's legal stuff. Yes, otherwise you can't use it. GPS on. Turn on control using your voice. Not at the minute. Scan to finish setting up your GoPro. Where's my phone? Connect. Pair. tilt you down a little bit. Let's see what it's doing, connecting. Continue. Well, if anybody reads this, all this lot, well, yes, otherwise we can't use it. Almost done, don't go anywhere. What's it doing? Downloading an update, which you've got to do before you use it. Let's hope there's enough battery in it to do it. We're getting there, 50%. I mean, it does help if you've got a decent phone signal as well. Pardon me for coughing. I mean, if you're at home doing this, you use your own Wi-Fi, it doesn't really matter, does it? But I'm out in the middle of nowhere. In fact, we're actually at a place where we've stayed at twice before, and I've done a video on it before, which is Lamberley Viaduct. So I'll put a link in for that, either on the screen or in the description, so you can watch that. It's quite funny in places. This may take several minutes. It's taking several minutes. Yeah, then I might just have to cut this bit, because I don't know how long it's going to take. There we go. Actually, the battery's got 45% on it, so it's not that bad. So the camera's restarted. I don't know what my phone's still doing. Name your GoPro. I don't think you need to see that. Connect to cloud to get highlight videos. I'll do that later. We'll not do that. Okay, let's go. There we go. And obviously this is the GoPro app that I already had anyway. So that's the Hero 7, as you can see what I'm filming on, because it's recording. And let's enable preview of the 13. Join the Wi-Fi. There we go. And there I am. See? Hello! There we go. It's beeping at me. Don't know why it's beeping at me. But we'll have to go into settings and turn the flaming beeps off, because I can't be doing with GoPros that beep. Right. So I'm going to switch that off. Right, that's that off. So now we've got the DJI microphones, because the 13 has got Bluetooth. Can't get in it, need a knife. Let's get a knife. There we go. Out. Right, now how do we get into this now? There we go. Put that over there. Janet and Fair coming back now, and I haven't finished this video. What have we got? Oh, look at all this lot. Look at all this lot. Nothing else in there. Let's have a look. Now we've realised I'm still filming, so we'll carry on walking. You can probably see him walking past. Let's get rid of that. So we have press to unlock. Let's get rid of that. Did it somewhere? Never mind. Oh, look at that. And they're all flashing at me. Don't know why they're flashing at me, but they're flashing at me. So we've got that there, which I don't know what that is. We've got the two microphones there, and we've got whatever that is there. Obviously it's the magnetic. Let's see. I can play with them. Let's see. Magnetic. What have we got in here? Oh, we've got my dead cats. Got two of them. Black ones and grey ones. And we've got the charge cable. So we've got that looks like a 3.5 jack for something. I don't know what you would use that for. Oh, that's for that. Oh right, I would say that is to go on top of a camera. To plug in, so I could use these microphones with this camera on the mount up there and plug it in via this cable in, rather than using the microphone I've got. But to be honest, the microphone that I'm using isn't the problem with this camera. It's the GoPro adapter. So we have charging cable as well. So we're going to get them back in there. We'll get them charging up. Oops. And I'll probably set all these up later on. Get them charged up first. Plug that in there, and there we have blinking light for charging. So there we have it. I'll get them paired up with the GoPro. Good morning everybody. We're still on the old camera for the minute. As you might be able to tell, it's a little bit windy. And we're by the coast, so we've changed location as well. We're still in Northumberland. I don't know whether I told you we was in Northumberland or not, but we're in Northumberland. It is quite early in the morning. Nice sunrise going on. I haven't paired the new microphones to the new GoPro yet, but I'm going to be doing that in a little while. And then we're going to test that microphone in the same situation here, so you'll be able to tell the difference between the two. Right, so now that these are charged up, let's see if we can get this paired up with one of these. So let's go into the settings. Audio, external lights. There isn't one. Let's go back. Per device. Ready to pair. Make sure the device is in pairing mode and in range. There we go. That was easy, wasn't it? And as you can see there, it's now turned blue. Right, anyway, it says it's paired. So we've now got that paired with that, and it comes with its own dedicated dead cat. I'm assuming it just clips on. Just like that. How easy is that? Right, let's go outside and see if this works. So this clip is with the new microphone, and I am going to show you the unglamorous side of where we are. There you go. That's the unglamorous side. So when people show you all these fantastic places where they come and stay, you know, like this, you know, beautiful location just like this, down on the coast, and they don't show you the other side. That's the other side of it. Hopefully you can tell the difference between the two clips.